Why does water flow to the sea? Because of gravity. If there is gravity, why does water come out of the ground or anywhere else? It should not come out because of gravity. The truth is that it is rotating or revolving. The non-evaporated clouds goes to the bottom of the sea and then come out of the ground again. The sea and the water will mix because the sea will clean all the dirt and bacteria in the water. When the water is clean, it will be heavy and it will fall to the bottom and enter and exit the earth or anywhere that has a passage. So the sea does not grow. Nowadays, a lot of water has become a clouds or rain due to extreme heat. Do not believe that it is because of the ozone layer that is being pierced. The question number 1 is the ozone layer visible? Number 2, the astronauts went to the moon. Where did they go? Only the astronauts say that the end of the world is set and cannot be changed. I will show the truth. This is the word. You can see the first letter in the name of the Creator is G inside the, from N or North to A or S to W or West and to S or South. This is news. A sunrise, the N night come, the W word, the A end. It comes from Him and it cannot be changed. What does sunrise, night come, word in? How will the end of the world happen? This is the red lines are the path of the sun towards the world. In 1960s, the sun started moving towards W or West or world. Until 2023, it will be close to W or world and will end up limited to the world. During the period 1960 to 1975, it can still be seen that the sky is navy blue. To prove this, as people born in 1950s, what you can see today is white blue. To prove what I am seeing, look at the ocean from afar. There are two colors in the sea, navy blue and white blue. White blue is near the shore or land. This means that the end of this creation is near. To prove what I am seeing, I have no power, but He give me knowledge of the word of time that are placed all over the world and in the Philippines, a knowledge of disaster that are happening in different part of the world. These are the sins called blasphemy. This taught by religion and in the things people do, like tattoo on the body, no matter what is written. Those power are sin or blasphemy, and there are many more things people do. In the time of Noah, there was a place that was burned. It was written Sodom and Gomorrah. It is true that it happened. Their sin was blasphemy. In the time of Moses, he was taken by a woman who was the sister of the king. This kingdom was the first to know how to write and read in the whole world. Their travelers were ordered, if they had a passage that taught about heaven, they should write and give it to the sister of the king, and she could choose what she would write. She called Orto what she wrote. The woman is called queen because she is a sister of the king. This queen went Moses. It has been uploaded on YouTube. Before she died, she gave her writings to the leader of her army and left a message to spread out the land, and not to diminish even a single dot. After the queen's death, the leader called two of wisest men, one of the queen administration and one from her army, because he could not understand the letters. He ordered them to connect the writings and put a sign of them. This is what happens when there is a number and two dots in the middle. He ordered that before he preached outside Jerusalem, a copy must be left, and the name of the lesson they are teaching must be given. After a long time, they multiplied, and the queen's administration called them kingdom. They spread those letters and gave them the name Orthodox. One was no longer preached because it had no name until time of the Christ Jesus, and Saul or Paul was the leader of the army or soldier, and he had a copy of Ortho. There is only one source for what is written in the Orthodox book, the Bible and the Quran. It comes from the Ortho. Though all this book teach the commandments of the Creator, the answer is no, but rather they teach blasphemy against Creator. The Bible has the most truths written, but this book has the most lie written. 99.9% of people will not believe what I say because they see nothing wrong with it. When I explain impersonally and actual, you might change your mind. Saul or Paul arrested Christ Jesus. At the time when Christ Jesus was about to be crucified, they passed in front of Saul, and he saw that there was something written in the back of Christ Jesus. He called the guard and asked what was written on the back of Christ Jesus. The answer was beginning and the end. He immediately ordered to take the clothes of Christ Jesus and bring them to him. Christ Jesus was crucified naked. This was the sin of blasphemy. Under the soldier gambled who would bring the clothes to Saul. When Saul grabbed the clothes of Christ Jesus, suddenly there was a strong earthquake with roar of thunder and lightning and strong wind and rain. Saul trembled with fear, and he said when it stopped, he would spread what Christ Jesus was saying, and suddenly fell down. He asked the disciple he wrote down he put wish for him to eat or live while he preached. He brought the Ortho he named the Bible. He took with him a Latin friend. This teaching spread throughout Latin until it reached Rome. One of his way was baptized people. Many times past, Muhammad went to Jerusalem, and upon his return, the so-called Muslim began. Its entire history has been uploaded to YouTube. I will tell you this blasphemy personally in my answer. Blasphemy cannot be stopped and removed by man himself, because there is no evil that is sin and practice. So there is one place that can remove it. This is the promised land in Mindanao, Philippines, and they are the people who will enter heaven alive. It is difficult to understand and believe what I am saying. I need to see it personally or actually and do it. It is true because there is something to see and read. I cannot do the video You do it yourself. I will attend. I have my contact number 0953-002-3408. You will learn many things that are amazing or shocking about the sin that people have committed, and salvation not in the book of all religion. Spread it so that the people can know. To all who are interested in entering the paradise of heaven, please spread the channel Minandro Heavenly News. Post it on FB, and to those who ask, please come to learn about the blasphemy that no one can remove from themselves. Do not change the book you believe in so as not to increase the sin of cold conversion. My agenda is about Iglesia, statue, paganism, baptism, the commandment of Christ Jesus for salvation, the word of time in the Philippines, the sign of the end of the world, set, how the end will happen, scary, the name of the Creator, and His will, etc. Don't worry about, cause I will teach you how to get the money back. Thank you, and mabuhay.